In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make call on Character.AI. Let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. This works on both a phone and a computer, so use whatever you're most comfortable with. In the search bar, type Character.AI and press Enter. This simple search helps you find the official site quickly without needing to remember the exact URL. On the results page, look for the official Character.AI website. It should clearly show the Character.AI domain. Avoid ads or lookalike links and choose the official result to ensure you're in the right place and your experience is secure. Once you're on the Character.AI homepage, browse or search for the character or bot you want to call. You can use the search field to find a specific persona or explore popular and recommended options. When you see the character you want, open it to start a chat. If the site asks you to sign in or continue, follow the on-screen prompts. Some features, including calling, may require you to be logged in. Inside the conversation window, look for the call icon. Depending on your device, it typically appears near the message input area or at the top of the chat, and it often looks like a phone or headset symbol. If you don't immediately see it, give the page a moment to load or check if you need to expand the chat options. Note that availability can vary by region, device, or account features. When you're ready, click the call icon to start your call with the character. Your browser may ask for permission to use your microphone. Choose Allow so the character can hear you. Make sure your volume is turned up, and if possible, use headphones to reduce echo and improve audio quality. If the call doesn't connect right away, try refreshing the page, closing other audio apps, or switching from mobile data to a stable Wi-Fi network. During the call, speak naturally and at a moderate pace. If there's a slight delay, pause briefly between sentences to let the character respond smoothly. You can end the call at any time with the hang up button, then continue chatting by text if you prefer. That's all you need to do.